Hi, you guys. Andrea Majewski here with Clean Eating Without Sacrifice. So I am super excited, and let me say thank you for watching my videos. I've been doing them, here and there for a while, not really thinking if anybody's been watching them or not. And I have hit over 100 subscribers. That's a tongue twister for some weird reason. So I'm just super excited. So thank you guys so much. And a lot of you who have been sending me messages and signing up for my emailing list, which the link is on the bottom, are from the States. So that's super exciting. And I have sent you guys each a package with your first order because you will all get a free product because I ship to the States all the time. I am happy to do it. And I want you guys on my team when Epicure USA comes to the States, obviously, in 2019. So I don't mind sending you guys a free product because I can do that, and you will all be able to try Epicure sooner rather than later. And I want you to, so that you can start telling other people how amazing our products are. The labels speak for themselves. Read the labels and compare them to what you have now. Epicure is just so much healthier, non-GMO, gluten-free, limited sodium, limited sugar, if at all, and just, healthier. We are vegan as well, just cleaner, healthier herbs, seasonings, spices. We all have to eat. We all cook. I was not much of a cook before because I tend to get bored of food easily, but Epicure always has new things, new ideas, and did I mention healthier and easy too? So if you guys haven't yet, be sure to sign up for the email list, which is on the link on the bottom there. Have a look and I will send you a free product. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure to hit subscribe so we can get some more subscribers. I don't know why I can't say that today because I think that's super exciting. So thank you guys for watching. Have a nice week, and I will talk to you guys very, very soon.